This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Renae Anderson. Talk about character, this home has it. All brick home with wired workshop on 1.29 acres has been remodeled, smooth ceilings, all new light fixtures, real wood floors sanded and refinished, fresh paint throughout to include cabinets, new appliances, farmhouse deep sink, new countertops, hardware, shelving added, fireplace now functions, new damper and critter screen protector added. Perfect location to sit on your front porch and enjoy the slower pace of life. For more information, review the details below or contact Renae Anderson at 478-390-7690.